It's your birthday.
I know. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
So, thank you. Thanks, Minnie. That sounded like Minnie.
Keep going, keep going.
No, that's good. I get it.
Are you excited, Evan?
Yes, I'm just breathing in the sweet Magic Kingdom air. I feel like Carl from Family Matters on the 90s, mid-90s episode when they go to the Magic Kingdom and he's standing out in front of the Magic Kingdom and he's like, I'm actually happy. Remember that?
Oh, yeah.
He's like, for once in my life, I'm happy.
Yeah, and he does a little spin. He spins around.
Yeah, and he's like right on the little welcome thing. I think I might have to reenact that this morning.
Yeah.
And it seems like it's going to be another beautiful day like it was yesterday, too.
Yeah.
I really want to meet Gaston. I've never met Gaston before. And our friends Joe and John told us to try a LeFou's brew, which I've never had. So I don't know if I'm going to get to do that and a Dole Whip, but I'm definitely going to do at least one, if not both of those today.
Yay.
I know, I'm so excited.
Donald and Daisy.
I know, I think it was too. We're here.
We're here.
I can't believe we're about to see the castle.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Oh, there's Mary Poppins.
She looks her line's over there. Happy birthday, sweet Evan.
Oh, thank you.
Put it on.
Yeah, it goes down Main Street.
Oh.
It takes you down to like the in front of the statue of Walt.
That's fun.
I know.
It's the wrong direction for us right now, but
Look at that Wally hat.
I know, we were just looking at that.
yeah.
It's like, Wally! Look, they got an E. Spider-Man.
Oh, Evan, you need that It's My Birthday hat.
It's my... Alright guys, let's go.
Thanks, everybody. We are the citizens of Main Street, USA. This is Professor Noah Ott, and I'm Chief Smokey Miller, and we're joined today by the world-famous Dapper Dans. We're so glad you guys are here. We're here on a very special day. We're having a celebration for a very special individual. Can anybody guess who it is?
I'll give you a hint. It starts with a Mickey and ends with a mouse.
How can anybody guess who we're celebrating? Anybody got it, guys? That's right, Mickey Mouse. We're having a celebration of Mickey Mouse.
Hey, you know one of Mickey's favorite things is music.
As a matter of fact, the first time we ever saw Mickey, he was whistling along to Steamboat Willie.
Yep, and this is the song he was whistling in that film.
Well, I have to tell you, the best old one that ever laid me. It ain't worth it. But another little thing wouldn't do her any harm.
Taking the song, taking the hand, pick 'em up, shake 'em up, anyway at all, and hit out the jukebox, taking the strong. We down there in the summertime, taking the strong, taking the hand, pick 'em up, shake 'em up, anyway at all, and hit out the jukebox, taking the strong. All right, okay, all right. Well, Steamboat Willie whistled right along. I had turkey in the straw. was the name of the song.
Follow that voice.
That was
Try to keep up, stay like me. Right? Hi. It was the first animated feature ever to utilize synchronized sound, ever in animation, forever changing the expectation of you, the movie-going public, and it brought down the house.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was the birthday of our Mickey Mouse. Turkey is strong. Sing some video away. Let's all celebrate his birthday.
When we say hey, you say what? Got it? Let's see.
Hey!
What?
What's Mickey's favorite sport?
What?
Mini golf!
Why did Mickey go to outer space?
Why?
He was looking for Pluto.
Sing some video away. Let's all celebrate his birthday.
What a beautiful baby.
Happy birthday.
Aww. He's so pretty.
What's his name?
Yeah.
I want a selfie with him.
First fast pass of the day. Splash Mountain. Amanda lost her phone, so she is going to guest services. So she's gonna miss Splash Mountain, but we're hopeful she'll find it. Disney has a really good lost and found system. It's kind of blown our minds before. So we're hopeful. They're giving out Ziploc bags now to keep your phones dry. It's awesome. Lightning fast, right? You may. You wait. You may get wet. Yeah.
On your lap bar, right above your knees.
Scooby Splash. Excited?
Mark my words, the radical
Man, that Brown has a deep voice. Don't throw me in that brown bag.
Dapper Dans.
Yeah. Look at my little house.
It's like, what kind of fertilizer?
Listen to the screams.
Yeah. I need
You have to keep your eyes open, okay? Yeah.
to get a ball.
Muskrat moonshine.
I guess we're gonna. I don't think we're
There's the mayor's house. Slipping falls. Oh no, Evan, you get wet. Fire.
Rabbit escaped, man.
I want to ride it again.
I do too.
But the line's 55 minutes.
Rabbit escaped.
I want to ride it again, but the line's 55 minutes. Yeah, that was awesome. Oh my, what a wonderful day. We get sunshine coming my way. Zippity day. Hey, Emmett! Oh, where Fox? You let him go.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Home sweet home is the lesson today.
Dance break.
Pull it out. Yeah, now do it. Yeah. And it was like a brand new penny too, shiny.
Yay, Brer Rabbit. Seven's birthday, and he loves Haunted Mansion, and he's going with these two brave girls. Bye! Such a good
I am your ghost host.
It's like the ninth time that Actually, that's not surprising.
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Please step away from the walls and gather tightly in the dead center of the gallery.
Look at the guy on the chandelier. That's amazing. Ew, I never noticed the guy in the painting before. Meow meows. There were kitties.
My spirits well. What's this bulging? Prices switched of every size.
So we just got off the Haunted Mansion, and I haven't ridden that ride in about 3 years, and I wanted to ride it just because it was my birthday, and I wanted to revisit it and try it out again, and it was more fun than I remember. It was kind of nice that I took a break from it because it gave me a chance to kind of reset, you know, and forget a lot of the little details, but it didn't seem freaky at all. It was really fun. 999 haunts.
Great moments in history. Great moments in history. Great moments in history. But only the American history. Just the American hearts.
Yay!
Thanks, everyone. We couldn't have done it without you. And to England, no hard feelings. You're still one of our best friends.
Well, thank you all so much for joining us today. I am feeling especially patriotic, so I'm headed into the Hall of Presidents.
Yay!
Of course
We just
it
walked
is,
right
Sam.
past the Muppets.
So long, everybody.
From the land of the Mystic Mountains, Queen Elsa, Princess Anna, and Sir Olaf.
princes and princesses.
Alone. She's mean to Snow White. Trying to poison her. Anyway,
we want to try the new vegan sloppy joes at Cosmic Craze. So here we go. This is the vegan sloppy joe with fries. Amanda got a grilled chicken salad.
Greek salad.
Greek salad.
Yeah.
The girls got bacon cheeseburgers. The 2 vegan sandwiches and drinks were $36. Hey Evan, so how'd you like that vegan sloppy joe?
Well, okay, here's what I think is funny. They called it a vegan sloppy joe, and I'm sure that the sloppy part of it was vegan, but it was on a regular bun, which is like obviously not vegan.
It must have been vegan. It must have been vegan bread too.
It didn't seem like it to me.
No, it didn't seem like it.
But as far as taste, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. I mean, it wasn't horrible. It had a nice little coleslaw on the top.
I liked it. I liked it for
good.
Something different.
Me
for
too.
the quick service.
Yeah, for quick service.
Because a lot of the quick service in Magic Kingdom is veggie burgers.
Yeah, veggie burgers or like Pecos Bills, like, you know, black bean bowl. And then also, I thought, you know, the fries were the fries. It's like the same fries they always have. So for a quick service, it was good.
Yeah, it was good. Feel her magic.
Yeah, Mickey's Feel Her Magic.
Keep moving all the way down. Make room for our guests coming in behind you. We do a pretty full show. You can make use of all of our seats.
And we'll sing you off to sleep as you digest. Tonight you rock your face.
his birthday.
Birthday wish, yeah.
We're all gonna make one.
I can't tell you what it was because it won't come true.
Okay. Oh, I miss Gwendolyn's.
Our family's gonna stay back. You guys don't know how to do it. You gotta turn around backwards, and you can't look at where it lands. Let's see if, let me see if I miss.
Where are we going?
It went in.
I know exactly where.
Okay, here I go. I'm doing what Amanda said.
Yay! Headed to Tomorrowland. Disney was kind enough to provide us with a tour of Tomorrowland aboard their famous Peoplemover. It's operated by the Tomorrowland Transit Authority, in case you didn't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And then we're going to witness the progress of America through the decades and learn how our lives and culture have changed and how they continue to improve.
Yeah!
There's
Well, that's
always,
right.
yes, there's always a great big beautiful tomorrow waiting at the end of every day. Love you, Apple and Olive.
Yeah, I love you, Apple Olive.
After the Jungle Cruise, I see here.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Bubbles. Whoa! This is how people will ride in the future. I love this bizarre tire escalator. This is kind of like how the exit at Space Mountain used to be. You go up that.
Ooh, that wind feels good, doesn't it?
It's the best.
Enjoy your grandson tour tomorrow. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
I love the Peoplemover!
It's been beyond throughout Walt Disney World.
So cool. I love the church. There's another church.
Oh wow.
I want to go in that little store. Okay, the speedway is like closed and they're like, looks like they're tearing part of it down. And then here's all the Tron construction. It's crazy. Look at that, Amanda. Yeah. Whoa. I mean, that is crane. Wow.
We got a delightful tour of Tomorrowland.
It's a fast pass, not a slow pass for Space
Happy birthday to me!
Yeah.
The front seat is my favorite on Space Mountain. Even for an old man like me. Are you ready to yell Apple?
Yeah, I'm ready to yell Apple and Olive!
Apple and Olive! Apple Olive!
Apple and Olive!
sidewalk.
Yeah, but I like the pretty modern future Tomorrowland.
Space stuff or something.
I like it. I like it. It's minimalist. It looks like someone's house in the future.
Yeah, it looks like we're on a Star Trek ship or something. Look at that. Look at the orbs.
Oh, orbs.
Oh, look at this.
Pretty.
I can feel a cake in my hand, right? No. How's your neck?
First one being your Disney trip. Second one being your cards from all your friends and videos. Your third one is you're getting your hair cut on Main Street.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.